Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted pages on Facebook in 2021. It's a new method, so make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. Try to help you out ASAP. So the first thing you want to do after you open up the Facebook app, obviously, is you tap on the three dashes at the bottom right corner of the Facebook app. On an Android, it's at the top. You just click on them and you want to go down until you see this option, settings and privacy. Make sure you click on it, and then when the menu opens up, you want to click on the first option called settings. So from settings, you have a bunch of settings. Obviously, you want to go down to your Facebook information right here, and there's a lot of options. The one you want to select now is the fifth one, download your information. You can download a lot of stuff. You want to click deselect all or deselect all, and you want to go down and just click on pages. You want to click on pages, go down and click on create a file. Then it will export a file and you can see it in your available copies. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.